my being, and and I need be the breeze that fills your shall be the hand that lifts your should be the moon that moves your dates, the sun coming up in your eyes be the flesh that elements you all that you we been longing far from there. The sky is the limit. Quite a lot more. I need be your being and in my heart, I hold your affection close. It's your affection that I really want the most. I stay here as I watch the down in the first part of the day. Do I see its tip seeming to be a fair as I am having this consuming affection toward you? I stay here alone with you with the sum total of my view of you watching the sunlight start to copy the room, thinking about our future and everything that we will do. You embracing me, your heart thumping against many as we lose all sense of direction in time as I long for that far off place where you will continuously be many in my heart. You will continuously be the only one for me. I don't look forward going as the day progressed, knowing haven't arrived with me thinking about the West horse. What's more, the days hauling by for what reason does it need to be like this? I have a wish for yours, yourself, and me also. I trust that the great Master awards it for you. See, I wish that you would carry your affection to me. I, in my heart, you won't ever leave, so I don't need to lament in my heart. You are my only one. Furthermore, I need you with me generally till every one of your days are finished. Fire in my heart. Our eyes are blue and shining like the most profound of oceans. Your presence similar to a sweet summer wind. Your hair is flickering and brilliant like sunbeams. You generally figure out how to light up my days. Your nose is delicate, full, large, and round. Oh, what a wonderful person Ivy discovered. Your lips are smooth and are very much shaped. The entry of your body is impeccably announced. Your chuckling is like views of energy that touches and moves directly through me. Your voice convey the gift and want of music, delicate and welcoming with a glow in it. The grain that I see all over ordinary fills me with euphoria and dews right by me and gay. You find brought a harmony upon my spirit. Furthermore, I've established a fire in my heart. You are the work of art of the universe. Also, I love you, the manner in which I love you. I never truly know how you feel. I can't guess what you might be thinking. I simply continue to pass. Take me to your heart. Show me where to begin. Allow me to fill the role of your most memorable love. Oh, deep down, I know you love me, but will you ever love me the same way you love me? Our hearts belong to one another. I feel areas of strength far, so I am with you. My heart is brimming with affection and bliss around. You are similar to my divine messenger looking after me consistently. I feel like I am in Pardes, encircled with heavenly messengers around me. I know deep in my spirit we both have a place with one another. I love you more than the stars above us. You make my eyes sparkle more splendid than the sun. At the point when I am with you, I know all will be well. You are there for me when I really want you. You hold me and let me know everything will be okay. Your arms around protect me. I want to put your arms around me for eternity. Also, never let me go. You keep me warm and cheerful. Our hearts have a place with one another in journey of affection. I slide along the edge of the stream, going across the registered street, prompting it such in the profoundly of the objected Sia to find the peace saved for me. I meander all through the universe, following the silvery shimmered stars conspicuously. I've been so depleted, my cardless heart dejected, not to give up. Girl, the intelligent called. It guides me toward the place of Hazans. I rush to go to the tranquil spot. There was not even the shadow of it. I had even left limits to know whether which heading it took. I popped out and fell on some incompletable street. Nonetheless, I was confident and undismayedly a tranquil passage hanging me consequently my heart planks under the sea to strike the extent of the Gnoni affection. In the meantime, I trust that it will provide 8